Ever wondered how to shift gears from friendly banter to a connection that's charged with attraction? Today we've got the keys to unlock that mystery. These tricks will not only make her want to flirt with you, but will also change the way she interacts on a whole new level. Say goodbye to boring conversations and hello to a world where sparks fly. You won't want to miss the examples and techniques we are about to drop, so stay tuned till the end because you're in for a ride. Firstly, practice good personal hygiene. If you look clean and hygienic, then you'll seem more approachable to the girl you're interested in. Take a shower or bath every day and use body soap and shampoo so you don't have body odor. Brush your teeth, use mouthwash to prevent bad breath, and keep yourself well groomed so you can look your best. Wash your face once or twice a day to help prevent pimples or acne breakouts. Personal hygiene also includes wearing clean, good-smelling clothes so you don't appear dirty or messy. Don't overuse body sprays or colognes since the scents could become overwhelming. Secondly, work on yourself. Before getting into the dating arena, work on yourself. Go to the gym, run, play something. Basically what I am getting to is that be happy for yourself. You cannot be happy in a relationship if you're not happy with yourself. Going to the gym will make you more confident, which means more success in the dating arena. Thirdly, find an interesting hobby and be passionate about it. Spend time developing your own personal interests so you can seem more intriguing to the girl you like. Look for hobbies that you enjoy doing, such as sports, board games, listening to music, or drawing, so you can find out what you like doing in your spare time. Try new things to stay interesting and make the girl more curious about you. Number 4. The art of observation. The important step is becoming an observer. Pay attention to her interests, body language, and communication style. It's not about being a detective, it's about being genuinely interested. Do engage in conversations about her interests. If she loves art, ask about her favorite artists or visit a gallery together. Don't stalk her on social media. Let discoveries happen naturally through your interactions. Number 5. The little things. Hey, are you still watching? Because this is the most crucial element for getting a girl, which is paying attention to the small things. Open the door for her, pull back the chair for her, and give her a small surprise like getting her favorite chocolate. These things are very small things that you think it matter. Cross that. It does. Number 6. Genuine compliments. Compliments, when genuine, can be powerful. But let's go beyond the obvious. Instead of the standard, "you're beautiful," find something unique about her character or achievements and express your admiration. Choose moments that feel natural, avoiding forced or over-the-top compliments. Number 7. The power of listening. Communication is a two-way street. Develop the art of active listening, creating a space where her thoughts and feelings are valued. Encourage meaningful conversations with questions that delve into her experiences and perspectives. Show engagement through nods, eye contact, and responsive body language. Number 8. Tell jokes and be funny to show your sense of humor. Add a little humor to your conversation to make it more lighthearted and fun for her. Tell funny stories about yourself or make funny comments in response to something either of you has said in the conversation earlier. If you can make her laugh, it may be a sign that she likes you or appreciates your company. Number 9. Let her chase you a bit. There is nothing wrong with letting a girl know that you like her. In fact, it is encouraged. At the same time, you might want to avoid constantly going after her. If you chase your crush around constantly, you might come off as obsessive, and she will either tire of you or she will start to feel creeped out. Either way, she will think that you do not have a life outside of her. Instead, let her see that while you are interested in her, she will have to make some effort too. Make romantic gestures towards her, give her compliments and flirt with her, but allow her to also return the favor.